To clean and replace the air filter on your FTR 1200, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat, level surface. Remove the fasteners securing the passenger grab handle to the bike and remove the handle. Repeat the process on the remaining passenger handle. Remove the 2 seat fasteners. Lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Remove the 4 fasteners securing the airbox bezel to the bike and remove the bezel. Remove the center console cover from the alignment bracket. Remove the 2 fasteners securing the airbox covers to the bike. Release the airbox cover retainers and remove both covers from the bike. Remove the 3 fasteners and washers securing the alignment bracket to the bike. Remove the rubber grommet from the key switch housing. Then turn the quarter turn key switch trim counterclockwise to remove the key switch housing. Remove the gas cap. Remove the alignment bracket. Reinstall the gas cap. Remove the 7 airbox cover fasteners. Lift the airbox cover and filter straight up to remove them from the bike. Inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Notice, in dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. If the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Clean the airbox thoroughly and wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Notice, dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Install the air filter onto the cover and ensure it is fully seated. Notice, use of non-Indian motorcycle approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use an Indian motorcycle approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Indian motorcycle dealer. Reinstall the air filter and cover assembly into the bike. Install the 7 air filter cover fasteners and torque to specification. Remove the gas cap. Reinstall the alignment bracket and the 3 fasteners with washers. Torque to specification. Reinstall the gas cap. Reinstall both airbox covers and ensure the retainers are properly engaged. Install the 2 airbox cover fasteners and torque to specification. Install the center console cover. Reinstall the airbox bezel and the 4 fasteners, then torque to specification. Reinstall the seat and align the rear mounting holes. Reinstall the 2 seat fasteners and torque to specification. Reinstall the passenger grab handles and fasteners. Torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.